Come, let's travel the world in under 5 minutes with Rocky Dreams Destination. Exploring the city's spectacular beauty, history, and culture. Today we are going to travel to Seville, in Spain. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and share your experience in the comments below. The Plaza de España is a spectacle of light and majesty. Framed in the Maria Luisa Park, this plaza was designed by the great Seville architect Aníbal González as an emblematic space for the 1929 Ibero-American Expo. Elegantly curving over the moat are 4 bridges, each relating to the ancient Spanish kingdoms of Castile, Navarre, Aragon, and León. Built in the style of Renaissance Revival and Moorish Revival architecture, the whole building is surrounded by a moat, in which visitors can hire boats to gently row around. The Costurero de la Reina is a building constructed in the late 19th century in the gardens of the Palace of San Telmo, now the Maria Luisa Park in Seville, Spain. This unique building takes the form of a small hexagonal castle with turrets at the corners. The building was the guardhouse or garden retreat. The Seville Cathedral was built in the 1500s in Gothic styles. It is the largest cathedral in Spain and the world's 3rd largest cathedral. The cathedral features the tomb of Christopher Columbus. This was built to display the wealth of Seville to the other nations. The Real Alcázar de Sevilla is the royal palace of Seville. The name Alcázar means castle in Spanish and is derived from the Arabic word alcázar means fortress or palace. The complex of palaces is in the mudéjar style, which is an architectural style with many influences from Moorish and Christian culture. It is probably the oldest palace still in use in Europe. When King Felipe V visits Seville, this UNESCO-listed palace is still his residence. One of the most picturesque places in Seville is the Alcázar Baths of Doña María de Padilla. It is a magical place and an obligatory stop within the visit to the Royal Alcázar Palace of Seville. The Torre del Oro is a dodecagonal military watchtower in Seville, southern Spain. It was erected by the Almohad Caliphate in order to control access to Seville via the Guadalquivir River. Constructed in the first third of the 13th century, the tower served as a prison during the Middle Age. The Torre del Oro Tower is 36 meters high and is also known as the Tower of Gold in Seville. Thank you for watching. Do you have a favorite place in Seville? Please share in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and share your experience in the comments below.